How to enter coordinates on Google Map. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to simply navigate to the Google Apps at top right corner of your screen. And now you need to locate Google Maps and open Google Maps on your PC or mobile device. Afterwards, you need to make sure you sign in and find the location you want the coordinate for. Suppose let's choose a particular point. Just tap and hold on a map at your desired spot. Once you select a point, a pin will appear along with the coordinates displayed at the bottom. You can see the exact latitude and longitude here. Just tap on the coordinates to copy them. And after that, you can easily close it and move apart from this page. And when you click on search Google Maps at top left and paste the same coordinate. So let's paste it here. And after that, you need to press enter on your keyboard. Now look at that. It took us directly to the exact spot on the map. That is a super precise way to find or store the locations. So in this way, you can easily enter the coordinates on Google Maps and now find a particular place or location. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.